Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a haul for you. I went to TJ Maxx yesterday and I picked up a few things and I'd like to show you guys the pieces that I've gotten. Some stuff is like spring, random, things like that. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. First thing I've gotten I'm so excited for. I get these pretty much like every season, every holiday type thing, but it's a blanket. It's a yellow bumblebee blanket. It's so soft. It's by the brand Cynthia Rowley. Like from Christmas to Valentine's Day I had a red blanket, and now for like the spring and summer months I will have a yellow one for my bedroom, or if I want to take out into the living room, whichever. So this is so cute, so soft. This is what it looks like. They definitely have a lot of spring pillows and blankets. I didn't get any pillows this time. I think my pillows right now go with the season just fine. They're pink and gray. Getting off topic. My guide was between this color and white, but I figured to get this gray, like tan gray Calvin Klein little cropped jacket type thing. It's like in their workout athletic stuff. So this, I thought this was so cute. Has a little Calvin Klein performance on there. Like since the weather is getting really nice, I love to go for walks. I rather walk than really work out. So this will be perfect on like a chilly morning or like a cooler night, depending when I go. This cute little thing for my bedroom, because right now I have a snowflake, but I need to just exchange it for this Happy Easter bunny sign. It's so cute. It has little pink tassels. It might be for like a little girl's room, but maybe just like for cuteness too. I love it. I wish they had more like spring stuff, but they had pretty much just Easter stuff. So it says Happy Easter, and it has like these beadings on here. But yeah, I'm gonna hang this in my room because Easter is next month and it's such a pretty colorful holiday. I got this notebook because I am doing another channel where I will be needing to write things down weekly. Will be perfect. It just bumblebees and it says don't worry, be happy. So yeah, if you guys want to check out that second channel, I'll have it down below, but I'm not sure if anyone on this page, this channel, will be interested because it's a hobby that I do outside of YouTube, work, and things like that I've been growing up with since I was like 5. So then I just got some socks. They are actually the Marilyn Monroe brand, so never tried it, but love Marilyn Monroe. Is just gray and white and black, and it's just like 10 pairs plus a bonus pack, it says. And my moisturizer is getting low, so I wanted to just try something else out, which is the anti-aging moisturizer. It has retinol and rose oil. It's in this brand and it smells really good. Guys, I am so clumsy. Look, drop everything so I can try a little bit. My room's gonna be smelling like that lotion. It kind of smells like suntan lotion in a way. Got some earrings. It has like hoops, studs, is from the brand Isabella M. It was on their clearance section. They marked it down. And then I got this curliness cream because I'm trying to bring back, like, enhance my natural curls and natural hair, because I do want it to be long. I want it to be like Miley Cyrus throwback hair, my hair. So try not to really use heat on it and wash it as much. So I'm trying to find good curling products. So if you have any good curling products, let me know and I'll definitely check it out. Is this Cute Chick candle. It smells just like marshmallows. It has the Cute Chick and then the chick on the back. Seriously, it smells just like marshmallow, and that's what it's called, sweet marshmallow. It definitely smells like the name is. But yeah, that's all I have. My mom did get a Easter sign thing, which I can show you guys as well because it's pretty cute. It's like Easter with a bunny on it. But yeah, that's my little TJ Maxx haul. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. If you have any video recommendations, leave it below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.